Hello everyone. As part of the BC for Eco project, I want to talk about visual paradigm. BC for Eco project introduced in the MOOC introduction, but in this part I want to introduce a tool, this visual paradigm tool, which we used for modeling and visualization. I personally used for designing the architecture. A visual paradigm can be used online as an online tool, or it can be installed to your own computer. It has many different modeling tools and designing tools, including UML tools and business process modeling and notation. And also it has project management tools, including agile project tools. You can use this an Scrum tool or an XP tool. It has tools like designing architecture, including software architecture tools and enterprise architecture tools. You can see some enterprise architecture tools in this slide. We can use this tool as DevOps tools as well. It has visual modeling. You can use this for UX design and use case management, database engineering, and even coding engineering. So it has many different tools. We used for different diagrams for the in this project. You can use for data flow diagram. You can see here some example of data flow diagram. There is some tools of BPMN. Just you can drag and drop, use this. This is an example of BPMN. We can use as class diagram. You can see an example of class diagram in this slide. We can use that for component diagram. I used actually for designing the architecture and how to connect the diagram. You can see nice tools that represent how the components are connected to each other. And we can use this for communication diagram as well. It has nice communication diagram. You can see an example of communication diagram that tools represent how to communicate. And it has collaboration diagram as well. You can see an example of collaboration diagram in this slide. This is just an introduction of the tools, but there is a lot of resource. I just put it in this screen. I put in the slide. We share the slide in the MOOC that you can watch the video or you can read the book and you can learn in more details. As I said, it has online version and also you can download this tool. For example, here I have an online version of the visual paradigm. Just you can open the website onlinevisualparadigm.com. You can create your own account and then you can use this tool. So your file can be saved in the visual paradigm repository, or you can save your file to your own computer, or you can save to other account, for example, in Google repository. So I save my file in Google. My recent work is here. You can see my recent documents or my recent work. You can see I worked some use case of blockchain. I designed some architecture. For example, I designed it here an architecture of school collaboration. So it has many different diagrams. You can see, for example, class diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram, deployment diagram, component diagram, state machine diagram, package diagram, data flow diagram, and many others. You can create your own diagrams from here. Just you can see, you can create mind map, you can create use case diagram, you can see a lot of different activities and a lot of different tools here. So I just introduced the tool to you, and you can practice with these tools and you can use for your own project. So I don't want to spend that much time on this. I had 5 minutes actually to record and to introduce these tools, but you can practice with these tools and learn much more.